So I'm about to do an unboxing of all of these items that I received in the mail. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15 packages. I think I'm supposed to have another one, and then I have a few more coming in a couple days. But as right now, I'm gonna review these. Welcome back, welcome back. I hope you guys are doing well. As you saw from the intro, this is going to be a long one. So first we have a smartphone tripod holder mount. I love these things. I have a couple of them that's going to appear in this video. This right here is a 4-set acrylic nail practice stand kit. I make my own nail sets, and I definitely needed a nail stand kit so that I could easily make my own nail sets on my own. So as you see right here, my nails are painted red. Those are actually my real nails. So I dibble dabble in doing extensions, but you'll get to see some of that out within this video. So here's some more nail art stuff. This is a rhinestone picker tool. I'm surprised I'm just getting one of those. And these are full cover square acrylic nails. This is particularly a 500 piece set. So I should probably get at least 50 sets out of this, which is really nice. Here we go with another cell phone tripod adapter mount. Like I said before, I love these things. I have about 4 of them. And this is an eyelash applicator tweezers. So they have very unique shapes to them, so it can make it a lot easier to apply your lash extensions. This is an eyelash separator comb, very important when you are using mascara. And these are some additional eyelash applicators. I just wanted to make sure I got enough because I'm really getting good at applying false lashes. So this is a pack of mullein seeds. It's only 100 seeds. Oddly enough, a mullein plant ended up popping up in my backyard. Go figure. So now I have hundreds of thousands of seeds from my plant. And these are stainless steel loop turners. I am so surprised that I'm just now getting this into my sewing room or sewing kit. I use all types of things as an alternative, and this is going to make turning loops a lot easier. Here we have some silicone face mask brushes. This is particularly a 12-piece set. I use these things all the time. So this is the Ebano 5% lidocaine numbing cream. This is particularly to numb my face whenever I use my Dr. Pen, which you'll see later on in the video. This is the Painter's Pyramid Stands. This is a 10 set. This will go perfect for when I'm doing my projects and I need to lift it up off of the surface. This is a white elastic band spool. This is a 32-yard spool. So I have a lot of projects that need elastic. And this is a 9-herb henna blend from Nupur. This is amazing for strengthening the strands of your hair. So I typically use this in some of my hair treatments monthly. If you like the hauls that I tend to post as well as the reviews that I post, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe if you want to continue supporting my channel. You can also go into the description box and use my Amazon links to purchase any of these products or any products that you are in need of for your own hobbies and or lifestyle. Thank you so much for your support. Yeah, I know it's taken me quite some time to open this, but these are 2-inch swivel threaded locking caster wheels. This is particularly an 8-pack, which I got super lucky because it was extremely affordable. So these wheels can attach to the bottom of any cart as long as the threads can fit. Also, these things are massively heavy duty, so it can hold a lot of weight. And this is a 57-piece wet and dry sandpaper set ranging from 40 to 2000 grit. You can pretty much cover all of your sanding needs with this particular set. And here I have a little over 1 pound of organic pure amla berry powder. I tend to drink it and use it in my hair care treatments. This is a 3-pack of 16-ounce Aussie Moist Deep Conditioner with Avocado. This is one of my favorite conditioners, so I was really happy that I was able to find a pack of 3. So this is a kit that comes with a Kreg micro hand clamp that also comes with the Kreg pocket hole jig. So this full cover nail kit comes in the coffin shape and it's also a 500 piece. Like I said before, I can make about 50 sets with this particular kit. So this is the Dr. Pen wireless micro needling system. This is the kit that I was saying earlier that I will be using a numbing cream for. Here we have 300 square feet of unblenched parchment paper made by Catbite. I love this parchment paper. We've been using it for years now. Here we have a set of 2 dog training collars that has a vibration, a shock feature, as well as a beeping feature. This is a 2-in-1 wireless microphone set for whenever I'm recording outside of my studio. This is the Arm & Hammer deodorizing shampoo for dogs. As you can see, it's really dirty, and actually it ended up being partially used, so I had to request a replacement, which was fairly easy. As you can see, it's corroded with shampoo all in the top, and yeah, the bottle was clearly dirty, so they just repackaged this and shipped it out to a new customer. Anyways, I got it replaced, so no worries on my end. Oh boy, I was not happy when I saw that they ended up sending me peppers instead of radishes. No biggie. I just had them replace the peppers with the radish seeds. Um, so when I made the return for the shampoo, I ended up doing a return for this as well. And this is a 1-pound bag of broccoli seeds for sprouting as well as growing broccoli plants. Here are some more nail goodies. This is a 21-piece nail stamp plate set where you can make your own custom designs utilizing the designer plates that they have and stamping it on your nails. I will be releasing reviews for each one of these items very soon. I really called myself trying to lift this box and it was not happening. This box is heavy and you'll see why in a second. 50 pack of caster swivel wheels. Yes, 50. So this box was massively heavy, and these wheels are slightly different because they don't come with a thread. You just kind of nail them onto the bottom of any flat surface. So I have a lot of products where these bad boys are going to be a tremendous help. This is a 1-pound bag of organic burdock root. If you don't know anything about burdock root, it's definitely should be something on your list of things to learn about and to add to your kitchen. This is a air locker heavy duty air punch nailer. I got this specifically for my palette projects. This nailer is actually a reverse nailer, so it tends to push the nails out of wood, which is going to make my palette projects 10 to 100 times faster. This is one of my pride and joys. If anybody knows me, they know I love my power tools. This is the DeWalt 20-volt max cordless drill and impact driller. It comes with 2 batteries, a charger, as well as a bag. So this is perfect for pros as well as beginner DIYers. If you enjoyed this video, please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.